Welcome to another video. So this is just going to be a quick video on how to change the engine air filters. It's not hard to do. So, save yourself a couple bucks and do it yourself. It'll take you 15-20 minutes. First thing we got to do is pop the cover off. So this just pops off. You just pull up on it, pops right off. Get that out of the way. So our air cleaners are in here and here. So what we have to do, we have to take this on the rubber coupling here. We loosen this screw here. And then there's Torx that go all the way around the outside. So we have to take those Torx out. So we're going to do that first, and then we'll show you what we got. Okay, so we got the cover off. And you can see there's almost always some leaves and debris in there. I mean, that's what you're filtering to keep out of your engine. So just, wipe it out or whatever like that. And the trick is, if you pull back on this, then you can get your fingers in there. And the thing actually splits in half, as you can see. But there's two Torx in the back, and then it's got them around the outside. And it should come apart fairly easy. If it's, too much resistance, you probably still got a screw in there. So don't force it, you'll break it, but it'll come apart. And I got a pair, it makes it easier, long Torx. I just picked them up AutoZone. They're not that expensive. And, they just make it easier. So to get this off, what it is, these filters, the reason they're so expensive is they're the whole thing. They're not just a filter. Let's see if I can pry this up here. There it comes. There it goes. Okay. So then you also have an inner filter too. That is, you can change. So these screws pretty much just stay in there, as you can see. They will come out, but they just stay in, so you don't have to worry when you take them loose. Like in the back and all, you don't have to pull them all the way out, just leave them in there. So this one fell out, but you can screw it back in and it'll stay there pretty much. It won't fall out. So it makes it easier when you put it back together. So as you can see, this is the filter for it. And there we changed the filter. And also, like the interior filter, you don't have to change every time. You can take a look at it. If it's dirty, order another one for that too. But yeah, so anyway, you repeat the same thing on the other side. Pretty easy thing to do. Save you a few dollars. And thank you for watching. Like I said, be sure to subscribe. We have a lot of videos on simple things you can do on these cars. Save yourself a ton of money. We'll see you in the next video.